Hi everyone, welcome to chapter 34. In this chapter we're going to be looking at some of the challenges facing our economy with regard to stabilization policies. When we look at this chapter, you're going to notice that stabilization will be important with the long-run effects, fiscal policy. Those decisions will be important for us. You'll notice that fiscal and monetary policy can impact our economy and what we're doing. We'll want to make better decisions on how markets will adjust. You'll notice that monetary policies are going to be focused more on the role of prices, whereas fiscal policies are going to be more focused on the role of challenges with tax changes. These benefits for us will be important. One of the things that we're going to look at is the role of aggregate demand. The aggregate demand slope downward for a couple reasons. The first reason is the wealth effect. And the wealth effect is looking at when the prices decrease, consumers feel wealthier. When consumers feel wealthier, they're more likely to buy something. This is going to be very challenging for an economy because an economy will want to make adjustments based on what they are able to consume. The interest rate effect is going to be another one. The most important of these effects for the U.S. economy is the interest rate effect. The interest rate effect is going to make a lot of adjustments for an economy to be able to know how the economy is doing based on changes in the level of interest rate. Changes in the level of interest rate can really help us in terms of that. You'll notice that we will make decisions on our economy based on how interest rates are being adjusted. These are going to be interesting for us to look at. When money demand changes, it shows the changes in wealth. For simplicity, suppose household wealth includes only two assets. Money, which is liquid but pays no interest. Bonds, which pays little interest but is not as liquid. Those differences and challenges from adjustments will make consumers evaluate where they want to spend their money. Do they want to use it based on role of money or the role of bonds? So these are going to be some of the topics that we're going to be focusing on this week as I look forward to your reference.